Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. For today, we would like to presentation about the company profile app for software engineering study programs. Before we start the presentation, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Raffi Anugrah,
My name is Adit Hidayat.
And my name is Ilman Fadila Ahmad.
so we can start the presentation right now. So for the first slide is the app overview. So basically, this application is an Android-based platform that serves as a digital profile for university study programs, specifically software engineering. It allows students, lecturers, and prospective students to easily access complete and up-to-date information about the study program, such as curriculum, faculty profiles, and career prospects. This helps enhance the academic branding of the program in a professional and interactive way. So this application is to help the students or the user to see to search the digital profile for university study programs such as information that contains in this app. So for the next slide, it's going to be explained to Ilman.
Application purpose. This application to provide structured, accessible, and engaging academic information about a university study program to a modern digital platform. The application serves as a promotional and informational tool that strengthens an academic branding of the study program. For the next slide, it's going to be explained to Adit Hidayat.
Okay, this is the application. Have main features. The main features of the app include first the homepage with campus vision and mission, and the next is lecture directory, and have semester-wise course list, and this app have graduate competencies and campus facilities overviews, and the last is top four relevant career path in the field of software engineering TRPL or TRPL. And the next, this application have a home page. This is the page, the home have even the linear layout, scroll view, relative layout, and the bottom have a card view, image view, and the text view. Okay. Next is I have explanation for the code. The first one is this application have a splash screen. Nah, this application have the splash screen animation. The first is alpha. Alpha have a logo appear smoothly fade in. And the next is scale makes the logo grow from 0.5 to 1 size zoom in. And this splash screen have a layout XML, the simple layout with centered logo. This image view will be animated when this splash screen show. And this splash screen have a code of Kotlin. First one loads and start the animation logo and wait for 2 seconds or 2000 millisecond for activity and class and the start with main activity or halaman utama. This application have a feature to swipe for move to new page or another page. And this is the main activity have a adapter. This adapter is view pager adapter. This adapter for view pager managing for fragment. This is the fragment have a home fragment, docent fragment, competency fragment, and the last is facilitas fragment. And this is a get item count returns the total number of page, and the create fragment returns the fragment based on its position. And the next is halaman utama KT or the main activity KT or Kotlin. This is Kotlin controls the main page UI. The first is view pager 2 to host fragment, and the last is bottom navigation menu to switch between page. And first, initialize view pager and bottom navigate. Set adapter to view page and the handle bottom nav clicks. Since navigation sweeps and the update bottom nav position. This is where the user have to move another page. The bottom navigation have changed to green color. And the next is XML activity main or home or halaman utama. This is have a linear layout to vertical display the fragment contents and a bottom linear for with the items menu. Each menu is a content image view and the text for the label menu. And the next, this is the home fragment Kotlin or KT. The functional, this is first scroll view for the main scrollable container. And the row 1 to row 3, this is the content partner logo. The on scroll, listen the scroll change. And the animation trigger when any row 1 to row 3 comes into view in page is using a delay animation set via code. The method, this is check animate and animate. The check if the view is visible on the scroll windows. If it applies a paid animation after delay. And this page have a logo partner for the institution. This is have Oracle, Makara UI, have visibility for invisible. About invisible, is a Kotlin. This is have a scroll view. The logo has a visible and this page have a contact for institution. You are have join this is the institution for software engineer. And the next I will the simulation for the application. First one the splash screen, main activity or halaman utama and the home page. First I will click the application and have an animation for logo TRPL, and this is the home page. And the main activity have bottom menu. This is this application have move another page with swipe or click by navigation button. And this is home fragment or home page have a vision, mission, and goal or tujuan. And this is mitra kami or partner the institution have Oracle, Makara UI, Bangkit, Decoding, and Red Hat Academy. And this page have a button for the information of activity in TRPL from Instagram. And this is the have button for the you are the joining with this is institution software engineer. And this is location the institution and have a social media. Okay, and the next this is a lecture directory and semester wise course list. This is page have a linear layout for the event, scroll view, image view, recycle view, item docent XML, item semester XML, and text view. And the last is tab layout for the semester wise course list for the curriculum this software engineer. And this is the short code for fragment docent. This is have a logo. The use event is image view for the logo. The text is tim pengajar or teaching teams and a horizontal scrolling recycle view showing the list like of lecture. This is for the recycle view. Have a list of teaching team or the lectures and a title for the curriculum. And the last is the accordion container which dynamically holds semester data. First, this lecture data model. Each lecture is represented by a data class called docent which include the lecture name, education background, and image resource ID, the drawable folder. And next is course data model for mata kuliah. This is model represented each course containing a number order, the course name, credit unit or SKS, and the number of hours allocated. And the next is docent adapter. This docent adapter have recycle view adapter displays lecture card horizontal. Each card show the lecture photo, name, and education. The card centered on the screen and have a scale up, zoom in, change background color, and gets a high elevation for shadow effect. And the next is main logic in docent fragment Kotlin. The first pass set up the horizontal recycle view with a linear snap helper center cards while scrolling. Visible item close the center are resized to highlight them. And the second part for the accordion curriculum. For each semester, it inflates our layout from item semester XML and add to accordion container. Each semester section has clickable header with a little and arrow icon, and this is an arrow icon. Clicking toggle the visible of the course list. And fillable method. This method fills the table for each semester with course data. The first row is a header showing no course name, SKS, and course. Then this row added. Finally, a total row sum and this the code totally a row sums up SKS and horse. And this is supporting layout for the page. The first one is item docent, a card layouting showing the lecture image with rounded corners, name and education styled with padding and shadows. And this item, semester XML, contains a header row with the semester title and arrow icon plus a hidden tab layout that show salah nih. And this is a supporting layout for the item semester XML for the containing a header arrow with the semester title and arrow icon plus a hidden table layout that show course when expanded. And the next I will the simulation for the page, the scene or lecture, and the header have a logo CRVL and the title this tim pengajar or lecture. This is the lecture have a move one lecture to another lecture have a swipe and the about focus in center area the card view for the lecture or docent have a border of green and zoom in a big size. This have a border with color green and this curriculum. And the next, this is an accordion for the semester list, where if you click on it, a flat list of course will appear. Nah, this is a list of semester 1 and can have semester 2 list.
Okay, for the next page, this page is graduate competencies. This page is displaying graduate competencies using linear layout, scroll view, card view, image view, and accordion. The content is expandable with an accordion style and integrate with image view to enhance the UI. So I will explain the logic behind this page. In this page, we'll display three expandable panel for core supporting and other for supporting core and other competencies. Each panel is an accordion system. When clicked, its content while collapsing the other. The toggle include color and icon change while panel is active. To show which panel is active, the content is show with spanable bullet. The content is shown as bullet point using spanable string and bullet span with justified text to better experience and readability. I also added animation bounce for the card while the card is visible. I also add a bounce animation to the card when they appear on a scroll on. I also added Ntar di cut ya sini. I also added a bounce animation for the card when they appear on scroll using a visibility interactive. So when the card is visibility on scroll, the animation will be run. Next for the design page. Next for the design page of competition page or the XML file. In this layout, I use linear layout with vertical orientation to stock all element. Uh, and I use scroll view to content allow vertical scrolling. And also I use card view to display each topic with icon, title, and description, adding elevation and rounded corner for clean design. Image are displayed using image view, while text view is used for all text content with justified alignment for better readability. For three expandable panel, for core supporting and other competencies are built with linear layout. Each panel works as an accordion, only one is expanded at a time, and it show or hide content using Android visibility. When toggle, the panel icon and color change to indicate active state. Finally, I added a bunch animation to the card as they appear on scroll using visibility check and strength timing to make the UI feel smooth and responsive. The last, I applied a custom animation using an XML file. This animation combined a translate effect and an alpha effect. The translate make the card slide in form below from Y delta 50% to 0%, while the alpha gradually fade in from transparent to fully visible. In a competition page, there is a three panel of accordion that contain core competition, supporting competition, and other competition, and also have a card view to display each topic clearly with icon, title, and description. So in this page, we can click of on the accordion to show the content in that accordion, and it and only one accordion can expand it in the same time. So when the accordion open, the other accordion will be closed. And for the card view, there is a animation of bounce when first time is show, it will be show from bottom and slowly show clear. For the next page is gonna be explained with Rafli Anugrah.
Okay, for the next one is the campus facilities and top four relevant career. So for this page is it contains many aspects such as linear layout, scroll view, bar chart, cycle view, item image.xml, item underscore testimony.xml, card view, image view, and text view. So for the explain, I'm gonna explain it at the Android Studio. Okay, for the first one, I'm gonna explain about the file XML first. So for the first one is fragment underscore facilitas.xml. It mainly contains the for this page, such as scroll view. So it's the on this page is have a linear layout for the orientation of this page. It's vertical and it use a scroll view. So for the content, it's such as logo, title, such as graphic chart, bar chart, such as that. So it can show in this page. And there is a bar chart too for it showing the graphic card, not the graphic card, it's a bar chart of this salary. So and it have a recycler view too. Recycler view is for the it show the image like right here. It's use the recycled view image. And we have the item underscore image dot xml is for the template for each item in this image. So it can show like this. Okay. And we have the such as testimony from the alumni. It's like this. We can slide the testimony right here, and it from the item underscore testimony dot xml. So we use that in this right here is this is for the template. This is for the template. We use the text field for the text like this, and for the linear layout, so it can be the horizontal, and so we can slide the testimony. Okay, so the next one is for the Kotlin. So the Kotlin basically is for the logic from this page. So we can see right here there is a configuration for the bar chart, such as bar chart, recycle view, and the image. In the image right here. So we can use the image right here. So it can show on this page the 4 photos. And we can configuration the bar chart too on this right here. We can use the text color, text size, such as text size, positions. So it can be showing the animation slowly, such as like this. You can show it the animation right here is slowly going up. And we have the another Kotlin tool for the image adapter. Yeah, from right here. So it can be the for the adapter for the image. So it can be shown right here on this page with getting the ID from the page, the campus facilities. Okay, so for the next one is testimony dot Kotlin. It's such as content from the testimony from the alumni, okay, and the testimony adapter. So it will be the adapter from the testimony alumni, and it can show it in on the page right here, such as class testimony field holder, override on create field holder, such as like that. Okay, that's it from group 3 presentation. Thank you for watching. Uh, we are sorry if there are any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.